now.
A very good evening to you, and welcome to another interesting conversational session on well being, wellness, and all about health and well being. Today, we have a very special guest, and I would take 2 minutes to quickly introduce his amazing profile. We have today with us Dr. Ravindra Kumar Singhal. He's currently the controller of legal metrology. He's an Ironman, a TEDx speaker, an author, a philanthropist, and a mentor to many. He has a dozen of qualifications, which includes a PhD, MBA, BE, MA in human rights, diploma in information technology, diploma in journalism and mass communication. And not only this, he's got dozens of international certification courses done. He has proved his exceptional organizational skills by handling the entire management of two Kumbh Melas. And he's also served the international community through the UN peacekeeping mission deputed by the government of India. He is a finisher of the Comrades Legend Ultra Marathon race, which is a 90 kilometers race. He has also completed the Deccan Cliffhanger, a non-stop ultra cycle race of 643 kilometers non-stop from Pune to Goa. He is also India's first police officer in the age group of 50 years plus to earn the title of the Iron Man in Ironman Triathlon held in France in 2018. Along with his IPS duties, he is committed to being a role model for people to adopt a fitness lifestyle. He is a marathoner, a cyclist, horse rider, a rifle and pistol shooter, and he participates in various endurance games and competitions. Help me welcome today, live with us, Dr. Ravindra Singhal. And Dr. Singhal, thank you so much for your time today. It's an honor to have you on board today as a wellness weekender with us. You are in some amazing location, Dr. Singhal. It seems like would you like to tell us?
Sound communication, I can't hear you.
So I would like to welcome to all of you.
Please, Dr.
Thanks a lot, Aarti, for the beautiful introduction about Dr. Ravindra Singhal. And I can see, yeah, he is sitting in the beautiful, like in the nature. You know, he wants to give the real meaning or message to the viewers about the well-being lifestyle. I can see the greenery is behind him. And डॉक्टर रविंद्र सिंघल जी, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो? डॉक्टर रविंद्र सिंघल जी, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो? So Aarti, you were talking about his beautiful journey. I'm sure all the viewers must be amazed to so many things he has done in his life. It's years and years of experience, but I see he's very young man, Iron Man. All the whole profile doesn't match with the age.
Very well said. Oh yes, it looks as if I speak with a 25-year-old gentleman whenever I interact with him, because his energy and his thought process is also very young. And I think that is also the secret to his high energy that he brings in his wellness. He inspires people across. People follow him, they start taking wellness as a lifestyle, and they truly follow him. So, yes.
I hope he is able to hear us.
Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you now. I'm so sorry. Because as you mentioned that I'm in nature, so signal is an issue here. I thought this is the best time, and I was traveling, so I had to come here, and I thought this would be the best place to talk to you about wellness, because that's such a vast topic, and we must discuss this topic with nature, in the nature. Please carry on.
So nice. It's a great thought, Dr. Ravindra Singhal ji. So I know your biography, what Aarti was talking about you. I was just teasing her, you doesn't look your age and your biography doesn't match it with each other, because the kind of experience you are carrying is huge. and I must salute to your work. I want to know how important is the balance in anyone's lifestyle. What are your thoughts on this?
May I? May I? May I? May I?
Am I able to? Is my
Yes.
voice
Yes.
is clear? Can you just repeat that question, Aarti, for him if it is not clear to him?
Well, I'll just quickly run him through the first initial questions, if I may, please, because
please.
I want to know why wellness is important to you, Dr. Singhal. What does it mean to you?
So wellness, I think not only for me, but for everybody, it's so very important, because if you are not concerned or you're not through wellness, I think you're missing something. And in present scenario, which we are passing through, the pandemic, so this whole wellness concept comes into life once more and with more forcefully. And if you're not concerned, or if we don't talk, or if we don't be into wellness, then I think we'll be committing a sin, we'll be committing a crime. So wellness is basically the harmony of mind, body, and soul, and it consists of the whole the way of life, actually, the way we live. So that is why it is very, very important.
Yes. And as a commissioner, you have been a commissioner of police of Nasik. How did you manage the Ironman as well as being a commissioner of police? How did you manage to do that?
Yeah, important thing, because when I was preparing for Ironman, that time nobody knew, because I would still, if I'm practicing in the morning, I would still reach office at 10 o'clock, and nobody knew that I'm preparing for this mega event. So sometimes, that time my daughter was also preparing with me. She also prepared for Ironman. And for your information, I would like to tell with pride that she is also an Ironman. She was just 18, and she was preparing with her father, who was 50. So while being commissioner of police, we both would get up early in the morning, say about 2:30, and I'll go to office at 10, as I mentioned. But from 3 o'clock to 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, we will do practice, maybe swimming, or maybe running or cycling. And this is how I think we take out time from our life. So how you manage your whole day, that's very important. So even if you are a commissioner or whatever you are, if you are taking out your time properly for each and everything, that is the meticulous planning in your daily routine, I think everything is possible. Not only me, if you see, many people are working for 18 hours and still they are achieving their goals with their health intact. So things are possible, even if whatever position you're holding. So things are possible, as I've submitted to you.
Any 5 tips on how to do better time management to get a better way to well-being, developing a well-being lifestyle? Any 5 tips to incorporate?
So I would say that the health, which is very important, the physical aspect of our body, that I would say as number one, which consists of your hydration part, your nutrition part, your exercise part. So if you are doing all these things, and if you are taking care of all these things, then it will pay in your life in a long way. Then there is meditation, or the mind part, I would say. So how you conduct or how you control your mind, that's also very important. So the health of mind is very important. And this, I would what I was doing or have been doing, is the meditation, self talk, and visualization. These three things are very important, and I have been continuing with this. Third, I would suggest is the harmony with yourself. Is if everything is balanced, if the physical aspect is good, if your mental aspect is good, then you are able to conduct your life in the best possible way. So this is so very important, and plays an important role. And that reflects in your personality if you do things nicely. As I mentioned, so nutrition part, physical exercises, drink water properly, hydration of the body, and proper exercise in the day under proper guidance, because I always have been doing the exercises under somebody's guidance, because that's very important. Many a times we commit small mistakes and they get reflected in pains or in bone deformation, or many things happen. Or if you're not doing the exercise properly, so suppose you are doing exercise with the weights, and if weights are not proportional to your capability, or if you're doing over exercising, all these things matter. So I have been doing these things very systematically, and that is why, I don't think are impossible, and I don't think things are impossible if you do it them systematically.
Great, great. Congratulations. I also heard you're launching your new book, your fourth book tomorrow. And I also got to read one chapter of that book. And in that, in that chapter, it was mentioned about a golden frog, which you saw on a tar road. You picked that frog up and you put it on the grass. And somewhere I understood the nature was an excuse for you to go cycling. And the reason why you took cycling to the next extent, you also did the Deccan Cliffhanger, which is 650 kilometers nonstop. How did you prepare your mindset for all of this? Tell us something about that.
So, as I mentioned, that preparation of mind is very important. It is, and it cannot be done in a day or two. It is a consistent effort over a period of time. अगर आप हर रोज एक चीज को अच्छे से करते हैं इन अ सिस्टमेटिक वे, तो आप अपने माइंड को ट्रेन करते हैं, अपने माइंड को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाट the ways. This is what I have been doing. See, people ask that at 50, people stop growing, or they feel that you have grown old. मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ, तो आप ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? So these things will not come to your mind if you have trained your mind, that your mind starts accepting things. It starts accepting the challenges. So that's very important. And if you're in nature, with nature, then it makes all the difference, because if you are with nature, you learn many things. How you can be humble, how you can work for others, how your life is, or your whole existence is for everybody. So that's very important. And you mentioned about that golden frog. That was early in the morning one day when I was practicing for cycling, and for this event. That day I found right on the in the middle of the road, this frog was there, and I picked it up and took it on the side, and this helped. This actually satisfied me personally, that how this frog would have died on the road. So these things are small things, but they somehow get stuck to your mind. And I mentioned this in my new book, Deccan Cliffhanger, a cycling journey. So all these little things I have mentioned there, because they make you humble. They make you realize how nature is important for everybody. This is a whole ecosystem, and we are just part of that ecosystem. Every organism, every animal, every bird, they have a right to survive and live in this harmonious ecosystem. So that I think that nature, we must respect nature, and we work to preserve the nature.
Lovely. I really like the way you say harmony and then you bring in nature and you called it an ecosystem. Very well said. And Dr. Rekha also has some questions for you. Over to you, Dr. Rekha, so you can certainly ask.
Thanks a lot, Aarti, and Dr. Ravinder Singhal is joining us for this special day, World Wellness Weekend celebration, which is today, which is celebrating in the all of the 85 countries. And I would like to know from you one important question, because you are coming from the bureaucrat background, you are coming from the police department background. I just want to know about one important aspect of about how this department has to take care of themselves, because you see we have been creating a huge awareness, which Aarti will also explain about that huge awareness about the well-being lifestyle in this kind of profile, people who, especially I have seen, they ignored health because of the due to the lot of pressure, workload, and due to
Yeah.
that they are not able to balance, or they are not able to contribute their time for the well-being lifestyle. So what is your suggestion, or what do you think about that?
So, as a police officer, I think like we are the frontline warriors, as it is mentioned everywhere, and with the doctors, with the municipal corporation staff, and police, we all have been fighting this invisible enemy, and this is very important. And in this fight, we also have lost some of our police staff, some officers have lost their lives. But I think this is our duty, and we have to work for this because everybody is important for us. And at the same time, we have been telling our staff also that they should take care of their health. And at the same time, I would say that because as this virus, if your respiratory system is not good, if your lungs are not good, so you have to be prepared. Now, this is one virus today, and tomorrow we cannot say, there may be many more viruses, and we will have to fight them. So, what is the best way how we should prepare is to keep ourselves fit, and this fitness we'll have to create a regime for that. And there's no excuse that I don't get time, मेरे पास में समय नहीं है, 24 घंटों में मैं अपनी हेल्थ के लिए समय नहीं निकाल सकता. So that again I would say is a crime. हमको अपने लिए समय निकालना ही पड़ेगा. अगर if police officers or the police staff or the doctors, if they themselves are not fit, then how would they serve the people? So I think we will have to be fit before we serve everybody. That is why I have been consistently telling everybody that you should take care of your health. Do some exercise. Now I see people spending a lot of time sitting in front of different kind of screens like TV, and they watch TV. There are different serials coming. There are different news
Yeah.
channels happening. So they spend so much of time there. Why can't they take out about an hour for themselves in the morning or evening? They should walk, they should run, they should swim, they should cycle, whatever they can do. There are ample opportunities available in front of them. Even if they are not doing, even if when they have money, even if they are not doing it, I think that's their fault. So if we have to serve somebody, whoever he or she is, if we have to serve, then we'll have to keep ourselves fit. And fitness is, I would say, is the bottom line. If we are not fit, I think we will not be able to take care of ourselves, our family, and the society also.
So it's very well said, डॉक्टर रविंदर सिंघल जी. आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया है कि ये क्राइम है अगर आप खुद को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हो.
Yeah.
और ये बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंस में आपने बताया. दिस क्राइम डज नॉट मीन्स पर्टिकुलर लाइक कुछ जो हम लोग बात करते हैं मर्डर और ये सब 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 चीजों का, लेकिन क्राइम खुद के बॉडी के ऊपर जब आप करते हो, हाउ it is damaging yourself as well as it is damaging to the society, because your mind is not fit. If your body is not fit, your mind is not fit, and automatically it reflects in your each and every action. And that's what you mean to say crime है खुद के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देना. बहुत अच्छे से आपने इसको एक्सप्लेन किया है. आई एम रियली like I will be carrying forwarding this word in further in my talks also, because this is really important. Everyone has to respect. हमें खुद को अपने खुद के ऊपर खुद के लिए रिस्पेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. और मुझे यही आपसे एक एडवाइस भी चाहिए कि पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट को अगर हमें, बिकॉज हम वेरियस माध्यम से मैंने एज अ वेलनेस एम्बेसडर वेरियस माध्यम से मैंने ट्राई किया है कि पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए कि हेल्थ कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड दे आर द पीपल हु इज सर्विंग फॉर द सोसाइटी, सो हाउ दे शुड बी कीपिंग देमसेल्फ फिट. और आपका जो एडवाइस है, I hope and I pray whole police department and bureaucracy department should follow this, because people like you are the inspiration for this department, and they should be definitely following you, as well as people like you. Many of like us, they should be following, because wellness is talking about before reaching to the illness. you take the wellness, right? Otherwise, once you reach to the illness, then your mind is sick, your body is sick, so your desire automatically, disappear. And that's what, before reaching
I'll
that.
just interrupt you here because you've
Yeah,
rightly said. It reminds me of Steve Jobs' famous statement that our
right,
health is more than wealth. At his fag end, he said that I have so much of money, still I cannot buy even a second for myself, even a minute for myself. So that is a very, very important thing. You must take care of your health, whatever position you are holding, wherever you are standing in your journey of life. And with this, I would also tell you that the nutrition of the food is also very important. We must
right.
know what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, and how much to eat. People don't know these four things. So if they understand that मेरे को क्या खाना चाहिए, कब खाना चाहिए, कैसे खाना चाहिए और कितना खाना चाहिए, अगर ये लोगों को पता होगा तो I think they will be able to give justice to themselves and they will become the role model for everybody. So this is again a very, very important thing.
तो रविंद्र सिंह जी, हमें आपसे शुरुआत करना है कि आपके ही डिपार्टमेंट को आप अगर 5 टिप्स देना चाहते हो, including the food, including the exercise, what they should be following, because I'm very much curious about this. This department has been like, I have been trying my best to create the awareness, how important they have to follow this certain routine, because आप देखते होगे पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में कभी भी उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता है, एंड दे आर सो मच लोडेड विद सो मच वर्क. तो कभी कभी खाने के टाइम पे मैंने बहुत टाइम पे देखा है कि रास्ते पे खड़े होके वड़ा पाव खाते हुए बहुत लोगों को देखते हैं. उनके साथ साथ ये डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों को जब मैं देखती हूँ, ऑफकोर्स नॉर्मल लोगों के लिए तो है ही है ये शॉकिंग कि ये टाइप के फूड को कंटिन्यूस कंज्यूम करना. पर कभी कभी दर्द भी होता है कि ये डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं, इसके लिए जल्दी से चाय ले लिया, वड़ा पाव ले लिया, एंड दे आर जस्ट ईटिंग दैट. So do you think this is the right way to maintain their health? What
No,
they
it is
should be
not.
just following
As I mentioned, it is not. You see, I was discussing like अगर हमारी कोई लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ड्यूटी है, वी नो दैट हमको जाना है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में. और आजकल हमारे पुलिस फोर्स, हम लोग जो भी सीनियर ऑफिसर्स हैं, हम अपने स्टाफ के लिए खाने की व्यवस्था करते हैं, पानी की व्यवस्था करते हैं, जैसे ये सब चीज़ें. तो हमें हमारा हमारा मॉरल ड्यूटी भी है और हमारे स्टाफ का ये राइट भी है, तो हम उस पर काम करते हैं. इसके अलावा भी जब मैं खुद ही नहीं सोचूंगा कि मुझे क्या खाना है, क्या पीना है, कैसे खाना है, कैसे पीना है, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर हमारे मुझे जैसे स्ट्रेस है, और स्ट्रेस के लिए बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं, तो माइंड की मैं जैसे बात करता हूँ, तो मेंटली हम अपने आप को कैसे, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें माइंड से शुरू होती हैं. अगर हमारे माइंड एक्सेप्ट करता है, जैसे कोई चैलेंज हमको लेना है, जैसे मैंने आयरन मैन किया एट द एज ऑफ 50. सब लोग बोल रहे थे क्यों 50 साल की उम्र में, इंडिया में है एक धारणा कि यू हैव ग्रोन ओल्ड. सो वो माइंड से
yeah,
सब
right.
शुरू होती हैं चीज़ें. चैलेंज अगर लेना है तो मैं माइंड से, मेरे माइंड जब एक बारी मेरे माइंड ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया तो वो एक्शन में आता है. तो एक्शन में आना है तो फिर मैं फिजिकली अपने आप को ट्रेन करता हूँ. सो माइंड फिजिकली ट्रेन करना, एक्सरसाइज करना, और वो चैलेंज जो एक्सेप्ट किया उसको अचीव करना, अपने गोल तक पहुँचना. तो ये सब चीज़ें इंटरकनेक्टेड है. जैसे आपने खाने का बोला, अगर मेरा कोई बंदोबस्त है, तो आज भी अगर मैं अपने ऑफिस में जाता हूँ तो मैं अपना खाना लेके जाता हूँ कि मुझे ये खाना है, इतने बजे खाना है. मैं अगर ड्यूटी पे जा रहा हूँ, तो अगर कोई बहुत ही ज़्यादा एकदम से ड्यूटी आ गई, कुछ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, सो दैट इज़ अ सेपरेट इशू. बट व्हेन वी नो दैट माय ड्यूटी इज़ देयर एट दिस टाइम टू दिस टाइम, आई हैव टू बी देयर, देन आई शुड टेक समथिंग फ्रॉम होम. अगर वो भी नहीं हो रहा तो आप कुछ ऐसी हेल्दी चीज़ खाएं, जैसे गुड़ या चना होता है फिर हमारे इसमें, या फिर आपने अगर कोई पानी जैसे पीना है, आप कहीं
ड्राई
से
फ्रूट से कुछ
ड्राई
ड्राई
फ्रूट्स
फ्रूट्स
हैं,
कैरी कर सकते
सीड्स
हैं.
हैं. तो ये सब
राइट.
चीज़ें हैं, और ये दे आर नॉट वेरी
और
कॉस्टली
बहुत अच्छे
ऑल्सो.
से आपने बताया, क्योंकि गुड़ और चना जो है बहुत अच्छा सा
यस.
कॉम्बिनेशन इन
हाँ.
महाराष्ट्रियन कल्चर, स्पेशली
यस.
यू विल सी दिस. तो ये बहुत
एग्जैक्ट.
अच्छे से, ये अच्छा सा बेसिक फूड है, लेकिन ये हैज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एंड ऑल, आयरन, सो दे कैन इजीली
यस.
एनर्जाइज इमीडिएटली जो भी खा रहे. तो क्योंकि स्वीट इमीडिएटली आपको एनर्जी देता है, लेकिन स्वीट भी आप अगर ज्यादा प्रमाण से खाओगे तो उससे भी नुकसान तो है ही बॉडी को. लेकिन अगर प्रोटीन के साथ आप कुछ अच्छे से ये करते हो, ड्रिंक्स प्रॉपर लेते हो, सिंपल सिंपल टिप्स है, दीज आर द सिंपल टिप्स एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू, यू आर गिविंग ऑल दिस बेसिक टिप्स which is really required for the common man, not very like क्योंकि किसी को, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होता कितना प्रोटीन लेना है, कितना विटामिन सप्लीमेंट लेना है, कितना, ये सबको बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग होता है, बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है। उसके बदले में सिंपल सिंपल जो ट्रेडिशनल फूड भी जो है उसमें भी बहुत सारे लाइक न्यूट्रिशन छुपा हुआ है एंड आई पर्सनली बिलीव that is everyone should go and study about the traditional food.
Exactly.
They
must understand कि हमको क्या खाना चाहिए, हमारी बॉडी
खाना चाहिए।
we are the best judge for our body.
कोई बाहर से आके very well said, yeah.
That's a fake this। और आजकल तो बहुत सारे है कि ये डाइट चल रही है, वो डाइट चल रही है। मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि मैं सिंगल डाइट खाता हूँ, रविंदर सिंगल डाइट पैटर्न। So that's for me. Right. I can only tell what I do, what I eat. I don't have to depend on anybody's diet. So that's because I know, because I've done it from time to time and I've done it successfully. तो ये हमको अपने आप को समझना चाहिए कि हमें क्या, कैसे और कितना और कहाँ खाने का है, किस तरह से खाने, ये सब चीज़ हमें सीखनी पड़ेगी, समझनी पड़ेगी।
बराबर है। मुझे भी हमेशा पूछा जाता है कि हमने क्या खाना है, क्या पीना है अभी, और आरती भी शायद वही पूछ रही है क्या खाना चाहिए, राइट आरती?
मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि स्लीप इज ऑल्सो वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट सर। आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो स्लीप, वर्कआउट, क्योंकि आप उस पर थोड़ा बताइए।
So sleep also, people say कि हमको 8 घंटे की स्लीप चाहिए, 9 घंटे की स्लीप चाहिए। आपको मालूम है जब हम छोटे होते हैं हम बहुत ज़्यादा सोते हैं, जब एज बढ़ जाती है तो हमारा स्लीप का पैटर्न जो चेंज होता रहता है। सो इट चेंजेस ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। देन it also depends on your hard work, your physical work, your mental work। तो इसके बारे में भी हमको मालूम रहना चाहिए कि अगर मैं इतना सोने की ज़रूरत है कि उतना सोने की ज़रूरत है, वो हमको, जैसे मेरा जॉब है और मुझे मालूम है जब मैं कुंभ मेले के लिए ड्यूटी जब मैं कर रहा था तो उस समय पे हमें 3-3 दिन हम सो नहीं पा रहे थे। बट उस समय पे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, जैसे मैं मेडिटेशन में जिस तरह से करता हूँ वो मेरी बॉडी ने एक्सेप्ट किया है। और अगर मैं 4 घंटे भी सोता हूँ तो मैं एक नैप अगर ले लेता हूँ 10-15 मिनट का भी, सो इट हेल्प्स मी। तो वो पॉसिबल है, वैसा मैं करता हूँ। तो ये मैंने अपने आप को उस तरह से ट्रेन किया है कि भाई अगर मेरे को नींद पूरी भी नहीं हो रही है, स्टिल आई कैन हैंडल माई सेल्फ, माई फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट आई कैन हैंडल। और मैं नींद अगर मिलती है वेल एंड गुड, अगर नहीं है, मेरे को 3 दिन अगर जागना है तो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे भी अगर मेरे को नींद मिलती है या नैप मिलता है, आई कैन डू इट। सो आपका जो पैटर्न है, जैसे योग निद्रा है, इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव। अगर आप योग निद्रा करते हैं, उसमें अगर आपने सीख लिया उसको, तो वो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। मैं उसको अपने ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ और वैसा मैं करता हूँ। तो ये ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो नींद है, नींद के ऊपर जैसे मैं 6 घंटे सोता हूँ, मैंने आपको बताया। तो मैं फिर मेडिटेशन, रात को भी मेडिटेशन करता हूँ, सुबह भी बेशक 15-20 मिनट करूँगा, पर आई फील सो फ्रेश आफ्टर दैट। लॉट ऑफ गुड थॉट्स कम्स इनटू माइंड, my efficiency increases, my brain gets stimulated, that gets energized, and good thoughts comes to my mind, and this all is what is well-being। मेरा जब शुरुआत सुबह की अच्छी होती है और रात अच्छी, जब मैं सोता हूँ तो अच्छी नींद आती है। what else you want in life? That is what wellness is। So that is how I would suggest that we must do something, we must learn from each other and try it on ourselves, and then we should freeze कि हाँ ये है। जिस दिन उसमें चेंजेस करने की ज़रूरत है, यू कैन कीप ऑन चेंजिंग सो दैट यू एन्जॉय लाइफ। We should not quit life। I always say, if you quit, I think you are committing a sin। So quitters don't win, and winners, they never quit। So we must know this।
थैंक्स अ लॉट डॉक्टर रविंदर सिंगल जी। आज स्पेशल डे पे आप हमें ज्वाइन हुए हैं और व्यूअर्स को अपना ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज आप पास कर रहे हो, स्पेशली पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट एंड ब्यूरोक्रेट्स के लिए। जो भी मैंने आपको पूछा है, आपने बहुत ओपनली आपने जो फैक्ट है वो बताए हैं, और आई होप all of them will understand, and every human being should be understanding, respecting our own body. And that's what I'm always telling each and every person whomever I meet. I also always tell them, you are the best doctor for yourself than anyone else in the world. So you have to understand your own body, you have to understand your own mind, and that's what the best practices you can adopt yourself. So डॉक्टर रविंद्र सिंगल जी, अभी आपका ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लेना चाहती हूँ. लास्ट मैसेज आप हमारे व्यूवर्स को क्या देना चाहते हो? एक्सेप्ट आरती, डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन? और व्यूवर्स के लिए आपसे हमें मैसेज, लास्ट मैसेज हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं.
मैं यही चीज कहना चाहूंगा कि we must live this life fully. We must enjoy. We are born, and we are still physically fit. If we are making ourselves unfit by not doing exercise, or by sitting idle, I think we are committing a mistake. This is the time we should get up. We should start doing something so that we become role models for others. See, I always say that the parents, they are the best role model for their children. तो हम पेरेंट्स की तरफ देखते हैं तो वो किस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं, कैसे वो करते हैं, काम करते हैं, सो वी इमिटेट देम. सो अगर इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग गुड, से सम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, इफ आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग माय टाइम बाय सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ टीवी, आई थिंक that is the best message to our children. And I would also say that everybody has 24 hours. जो लोग ये बोलते हैं कि मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं मिलता मुझे अपने लिए, I think they are telling a lie. They are not serious about their life. So everybody has 24 hours. Why only then few people succeed in life? Why they are called successful? Because they are meticulously spending their time. They are not wasting their time. They enjoy life. कि ये 24 hours में मुझे इतना सोना है, मुझे इतना ये काम करना है, and they have planned lifestyle. Of course there will be changes in our routines, but for that also they are prepared कि अगर इसमें change होता है, so I'll do it according to this way. So we must know how we have to conduct ourselves. I always say that we do or imitate those people who are role models, who are doing something good for the society, and then in turn you become such role models so that people start imitating you. When you stand, when you talk, people should realize, अरे वाह, किस तरह से बात कर रहे हैं, कैसे खड़े हुए हैं. जैसे पुलिस वालों का हमसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि वी शुड बी फिजिकली फिट, और बोला जाता है देखो ये किस तरह से दिख रहे हैं, यूनिफॉर्म सूट नहीं कर रही इनके ऊपर. तो हमें अपने आप को किस तरह से कंडक्ट करना है, वो हम अगर किसी से बात भी नहीं कर रहे तो भी हमारे यहाँ से वाइब्स, हम ऐसे कम्युनिकेट करें
जाते हैं. बराबर है.
यस, मुझे ऐसे ही जीने का है. सो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. मैं इनको इस तरह से देखता हूँ. आई होप दिस लिसनर्स विल लर्न समथिंग, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर. मैं जो आज यहाँ पे पहुँचा हूँ, जो सीखा है, इट इज़ ओनली थ्रू लर्निंग. ये मैं खुद मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. सो वी ऑलवेज लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो डू योर बेस्ट. डोंट गेट इन्वॉल्व इन टू थिंग्स विच विल हर्ट यू. एक मैंने बहुत अच्छा शेर सुना है कि मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी को कुछ इस तरह से आसान कर लिया, मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी को कुछ इस तरह से आसान कर लिया, कुछ से माफ़ी मांग ली और कुछ को माफ़ कर दिया. तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि अगर कोई आपको परेशान कर रहा है, या तो उसको भूल जाओ या उससे जाके हाथ मिला लो, यार क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो आप जो इस तरह की चीज़ें अगर करेंगे तो मुझे लगता है हमेशा खुश रहेंगे.
Thanks a lot for the joining and giving the beautiful message.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful message to our viewers. This is a special day, World Wellness Weekend, what we are celebrating, and you are mentally and physically how you can keep yourself fit. This was a simple tips by Dr. Ravindra Singhal ji, and thanks a lot. You are the inspirational for the police department especially, and I'm really, I'm saluting your work. You have done really great work. Thank you a lot. Thank you
so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being in.
Both of you, Aarti and Rekha.